What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting for the 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins. That's right, we're unboxing these absolute beasts, the Stryker control arms. I'm going to walk you through what's inside this box, give you a killer installation tip that'll save you a ton of headache, and then, of course, the grand reveal of how they look on the truck. These things are designed to give you more clearance for bigger tires. And let's be real, that fabricated I-beam design is just pure eye candy. And the best part? They're made right here in the USA. So stick around, you're not going to want to miss this transformation. Oh, and if you want to snag a set for yourself, check out my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Let's get into it.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. 2005 Dodge Ram Cummins Diesel 2500 Stryker. I think it's right out of Tennessee. Yep, Maryville, Tennessee. Here you go. You interested in some of these? What were the price? $3.99. Notch for clearance. Really cool looking radius arms, control arms, whatever you want to call them. We're gonna put them on. Okay, folks, since I don't have a cameraman, you guys had to miss all that. He's gone to church camp. Get this in, since these are extended control arms, I hung it from the rear first. You're just hanging straight up and down. When I went to the front, of course they're extended, so the hole in the control arm was way up here in front of the hole in the axle. I grabbed the tie strap, hooked it in the front of the frame, hooked it underneath the axle, tried to pull it. No can do, because that sucker was back over here to get caster right. Now, I'm not worried about my caster. I know where it was, but it wasn't right anyway because I've adjusted it trying to get death wobble to go away. So I'm gonna line it up. I have a quick trick alignment tool. I'll line it up later. But what I had to do, I had to rotate this concentric washer all the way to the front, the very front mark, which is as far as it'll go. And what that does is it rotates the axle forward, moves this hole forward so the extended control arm just almost fit, but didn't quite. I tightened up my ratchet strap and the bolt slid right in. Not much to it. Doing all this on a lift, and the only thing that's required, you gotta have a stand, you know, a support for the axle, because if you don't, then you got all the weight of the axle hanging on these bolts and you're not gonna move any of it. All right, see you in a bit.
Hey everyone, I've got a bit of a tough update for you today. I was so excited to show you the final steps of the Stryker control arm installation, but I ran into some major technical problems and unfortunately, I lost all the footage of the top bar install and the final reveal. I'm honestly pretty bummed out about it, but I still wanted to share what I had left. You can still see just how much of an upgrade these are. Look at these American-made control arms. They're so much better looking and way stronger than the flimsy sheet metal stock bars. The difference is night and day. Even without the final shots, you can tell the quality is top-notch. If you're thinking about an upgrade, seriously, get you some of these. Thanks for understanding and for watching anyway. It means a lot. Please subscribe for more, and hopefully, the next install goes a lot smoother.